Assalamu alaikum grade 4. I hope you all are fine. This is lecture number 7 of maths. In previous lecture we have studied chapter number 3 multiplication and division. Now we are going to discuss about multiplying by tens, hundreds or thousand. As you can see, there are some numbers. For example, first number is 342 and we want to multiply it by 10. We can say this is a shortcut method. How we can multiply it shortly? When a whole number is multiplied by 10, the digits of the original number, which is 342, move one place to the left and write a 0 in ones place to give the product. Or you can say just write 0 with this original number. So you get its product, which is 3420. Similarly, when we want to multiply 505 with 100, so what we have to do is we just multiply by 100. The digit of the original number moves 3 places to the left and write two zeros in ones place and tens place. So it's 50,500. Similarly, the next one is 766. We want to multiply it with 1000. So just add up 3 zeros with it and the original number moves 3 digit to the left. So it's 766,000. Now we multiplying a number by splitting method. As you can see, we want to multiply 31 with 200. How we can multiply it? There is no need to write a long division. Just split 200 in two numbers, which are 2 and 100. When you multiply 2 with 100, you ultimately get 200. So we just split 200 in 2 and 100. Now what you have to do, you just multiply 31 and 2, so you get 62 and 100 is as it is. In second step, you multiply 62 with 100 with a shortcut method. Just put 2 zeros with 62, so you have 6200. Another example is you want to multiply 42 with 3000. Now again split 3000 and you have 3 multiplied by 1000. Now what you have to do, just multiply 42 and 3, so you get 126 with 1000 as it is. Now multiply 126 and 1000. How you can multiply? It's a shortcut method. Just add these 3 zeros with 126, so you get this number. This is a product. Our next topic is division. A division is a method of distributing a group of things into equal parts. The division is an operation inverse of multiplication. So it's mean division is the process of repeated subtraction. Now how we can divide any number with one digit number? You just see here the question. We want to divide 965 with 5. How we can divide it? We just write it in division house and See, the first digit is 9. In table of 5 there is no 9, but the nearest number is 5, which is at first place. 5 ones are 5, so you write here 5. Subtract 5 from 9, we get 4. 6 goes down here, it's now 46. Now you have to see whether 46 is in the table of 5. No, there is 45. So write the place where the 45 is. 5 nines are 45. So you write here 45. Subtract 45 from 46, you get only 1. Now next number, which is 5, goes down here. It's 15 now. Now you know 15 is at the place of 3. So 5 threes are 15. So there is no remainder here. Its quotient is 193. Similarly, the second example, 1641. We want to multiply it, divide it with 3. So just see first two digits, because 1 is very small digit. So you just see two digits whether it is in the table of 3 or not. Yes, there is 15 in table of 3 at the place 5. So 3 5s are 15. You write 15 here. Just subtract 15 from 16. You get 1, and 4 digit 4 goes here down. It's 14 now. Now again you have to see whether 14 is at the table of 3 or not. There is 12, nearest number, which is 12 at fourth place. 3 fours are 12. So subtract 12 from 14, you get 2. Now digit 1 goes down here. It's 21 now. You know that 21 is in the table of 3 at place of 7. So 3 sevens are 21. There is no remainder, and the quotient is 547. Similarly, see the example. We want to divide 3408 with 3. So just see first digit, it's the same one. So 3 ones are 3. You write 3 here. Subtract 3 from 3. It's 0. Number 4, digit 4 goes down. Now again 3 ones are 3. Subtract 3 from 4. You get 1. And digit 0 goes down here. It's 10 now. Now 3 threes are 9. Subtract 9 from 10. You will get 1. Next digit, which is 8, goes down here. It's 18 now. So 3 6 are 18. Subtract 18 from 18, you will get 0. So remainder is 0, and the quotient is 1136. Now there are some questions. You have to practice these questions on your notebook. This is your homework. Do book page number 46 and 49, and do practice work on your notebook. Thank you.